trying to be the baddest out here. Can't wait to see you run. You're going to root for the Avenger tonight? You're rooting for Chris Kohler out of Columbus, Michigan. You guys got another fireman in the group? We got some firemen here tonight. Joe Foley runs the Axe Truck. Joe, welcome, man.
Yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm happy to be back here in Colorado. I absolutely love this place. The fans out here are absolutely insane. I'm stoked to put on a show for them.
You do not sound like you are from Leicester, Massachusetts.
No, I think the Massachusetts accent wore off a couple years ago. I've been all over the place, man. I'm just happy to be out here. I'm excited.
Can't wait to see you run. Root for the Axe Truck and Joe Foley. Oh, Jim, you want this?
Okay, you twins here. What do you have for troop personnel?
We have 2 additional trucks we run around the country with, and we have twin girls that drive them every weekend, crash them, you know, the whole 9 yards. She actually, one of the twins beat both of us in racing 2 weeks ago, so I think you came up to us and approached us, and you wanted to see if the fans would pick.
Who do you want next year? Guys or the girl twins?
Come on, who's here for us? Nobody. How about for the girls? Anybody want to see the girls?
Maybe we'll bring them next year. That'd be good.
What a question. There's no, I mean, the girls, gotta have them. Hey, we got another driver. Brought a brand new truck here this year out of Rupert, Idaho. Say hello to the driver of Obsessed, Eric Swanson! Eric, welcome to see this, man.
Yeah, I know it's awesome to be here. We got a packed house tonight, and we're going to get a couple scratches in that new truck if you guys want that.
You want to see him crater that new truck tonight?
Yeah, it's awesome, man. Some of our best friends are racing here with us. It's going to be a great show. I can't wait to see it.
Can't wait to see you